Follow the steps on how to make an illustration with an effect like this in Photoshop. Let's start by opening the image. Select Subject. Press Ctrl-J to duplicate. Convert this layer to a smart object. Duplicate again. And rename. Select this layer and go to Filter, Blur and Motion Blur. You can set it like this. Adjust its position. You can lower the fill a little. Duplicate this layer and position it at the top. Position it in the opposite direction. Open Illustrator and create a new document. Make 2 circles and position them in the middle. Select both and delete the fill color. Change the stroke color to red. Adjust one of the strokes to a different thickness. Also set the opacity. Select and make blend. Go to Properties and open Blend Options. Make it like this. Select and press Ctrl-C to copy. Select the top layer and press Ctrl-V. Select Pixels. Adjust the size and position. Click this layer and add a new layer. Activate the brush tool and choose a color. Set hardness to 0% and flow to 5%. Make it like this. Select all these layers and group them. Finished and good luck. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.